What's up, y'all? We back at it like crack addict with another video. Hope y'all having a beautiful and blessed day, and let's get straight into the topic. Alright, so toxic people are everywhere. Just like I said, fake people are everywhere, toxic people are everywhere. Now you're asking me, what's the difference between a toxic person and a fake person? Okay, so fake people are neutral to your life. Now, what does this mean? That means they might fuck your bitch, they might steal money from you, but it's because they don't give a fuck about you and they care about themselves. Toxic people don't like you at all. They want you to fail. They want to see failure within your life. Okay? That's the difference between a toxic person and a fake person. A toxic person can be fake, but a fake person can't really be toxic, if you get what I'm saying. So a nigga can be a toxic fake person. They can come with you, they can act like they cool with you and all that, and then they can actually want your demise. But a fake person can't be a toxic person, if you get what I'm saying, because they're mostly neutral. So let's move on. How to avoid these people. This is the main topic. So what you want to do is, number one, have the smallest circle possible, bro. Have the smallest circle possible. What does this mean? This doesn't mean you can't be like cool with the nigga. It doesn't mean you can't be friends with somebody. But my advice, personally, is to separate yourself from people that you just have a gut feeling about, bro. Trust your intuition, period, point blank. Always trust your intuition. Always trust your gut. What people want to tell you, what people want to say is, oh, you should ignore small shit. So your friend does something to you, or somebody you know, somebody who's trying to be your homie, does something to you, and you have a gut feeling that you should not fuck with this person, but society and all this programming in your brain is like, oh bro, nah, he cool, man, he cool, he did that fuck shit, but he cool, right? And then 9 months later, he's stealing your money. 9 months later, he fucking your bitch. 9 months later, etc. You get what I'm saying? So my point is, trust your gut, because it's usually right, bro. It's usually right. And if you don't have if you have a feeling about somebody, you gotta trust it, bro. It's vibes, it's vibrations, bro. Like literally, talking and action, those are low forms of vibration. Feeling how you feel about somebody, your intuition, that's a high form of vibration. You have to trust that overall, over anything. So how does the toxic person really operate? How do they operate in this sheep's clothing? Now, there is two different types of toxic people. I will say that. There's type of toxic person who acts like they're your homie. That's the fake toxic people that I talked about earlier. Or there's the toxic person who just don't like you and who just says they don't like you. That's the motherfucking trolls on comment section. That's just the niggas who operate like this. That's just how they move, right? So with people like that, it's easier not to fuck with them, obviously, because you can see them. But the niggas who are in sheep's clothing, that's a little harder. But let me tell you, it's harder to spot them than the fake people. It's easier to spot the toxic fake people than the fake people. Let me tell you why. Because fake people, once again, they're neutral. They're neutral with everything, right? But the toxic people, they gonna have a little spice to them. You're gonna tell, right? So say you go to one of your homies, and you just like, hey bro, I wanna be an astronaut. Like, I think I could be an astronaut, bro, straight like that. And he's just like,
nah, bro, you can't be no astronaut. What you do, bro? Why you wanna be an bro? That's retarded, bro. That's fucking stupid, bro. Like, bro, that's stupid, bro. Why you wanna be an astronaut?
And it's like, damn, bro. Why you so adamant about my dreams? Why you so adamant about what I want to do? You know what I'm saying? If a person is like that to you, bro, cut them off. Never talk to them again. I don't even care if it's your family, honestly. Cut them off. Never talk to them again, bro. If you want to be something in life, you don't want to have any fears, doubts, and indecisions. Fears, doubts, and indecisions already finna come within you. So they're already going to rise up within you. You know what I'm saying? So why do you have somebody in your circle? Why do you have somebody that you talk to also trying to sow fears, doubts, indecisions within you? I want niggas around me to prop me up from whatever, bro. If I say I want to go to the moon, I want a nigga to be like, bro, you can go to the moon. Like, you can dead ass go to the moon, bro. Like, I mean, a rocket ship, like, 10 million, $100 million, but I mean, bro, it's the moon. Like, that's cold. Like, bro, you can go to the moon. I want niggas, like, around me. I want a female around me. I want people around me who are like that, who encourage my dreams no matter how wild they are. If I want to rule the world, I want you to be like, bro, you can rule the world. You know, you a good talker, you know what I'm saying? You gonna have to kill a couple people, but you know, it is what it is. That's how I want people around me to operate. Okay? Now, obviously, those are exaggerations within reason. If I'm like, I want to be a serial killer, I want to be a serial killer. I don't know. Obviously, don't want you to be like, yeah, bro, you become a serial killer. Like, obviously, within reason. But you get what I'm saying, right? You shouldn't have people who put doubts, fears, doubts, indecisions within you. Okay, who put their beliefs upon you. You need to rise above this, and you need to cut off anybody who sow these within you, who try to sow these within you. That's how toxic people operate. They want you to fail. I don't know what it is. They could be jealous of you. They could just not like you personally. A lot of times they see a high vibrational person. They see a person with dreams, aspirations, ambitions, hardworking, you know, and they get jealous themselves. They don't see, because everybody's a reflection of everybody else, right? So they see you, you're hardworking, you're ambitious, you're this and that, and they think to themselves, I don't have those qualities within me. Instead of being inspired by you, they reflect upon themselves and say, I don't have those qualities within me, so what I'm going to do is bring this person down so he can have my negative qualities within him. That's the definition of a toxic person, real shit. So what you need to do is you need to use what I said, and you need to really go through who you are operating around, who you are hanging around, and just see what they say, man. See what they say. What vibe do they give off? If they give off a weird vibe, cut them off, man. You got to realize that your life, bro, what you want to do in this world is the most important thing, man. You can achieve your dreams if you really put in the work, and if you are on the vibration to accept it. So these people can put you on a low vibration. You know what I'm saying? They can put you on a low vibration where you're not on the vibration to achieve your dreams. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, cut these people off. But that's it for today. Hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that. Share with your friends. Tell me what you thought about it. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.